Sloane Marine is proud to announce that we've recently added another groundbreaking product to our existing portfolio of solution-driven marine applications, covering salvage, casualty management, as well as oil and gas, SBM and pipeline installations around the globe. SML's founder and namesake, Captain Nick Sloane, is a proud member of the Lloyd's panel of special casualty representatives and has earned global respect as a salvage master. While Nick was on-site managing the Costa Concordia salvage operations in Italy, it became obvious that there was an urgent need for a cost-effective marine platform that could become the ultimate workhorse in a multitude of applications. These range from pollution control, offshore logistics, dive platforms, as well as ship and rig survey and repair. With this in mind, Nick set about working on a solution, with his first port of call being the identification and recruitment of suitable technology and engineering partners. The logical solution was to find an internationally recognized aluminium marine platform construction company who were already specializing in this particular field. After much investigation, Nick contacted a marine yard in Port Elizabeth, South Africa, that had over the previous 10 years pioneered modular catamaran designs that embodied the elements of Captain Sloane's requirements. Included in his list of priorities was the need for a vessel which could offer the following design and commercial qualities: light and durable hull design, substantial payload, shallow draft and beaching capability, versatility, portability, independence and autonomy during operations, and cost-effective manufacture. The design team started work together with the manufacturer's naval architect and engineers on their base platform, and within a few short months were able to provide the solutions required. The resultant platform met not only the technical requirements, but also allowed for exceptional cost of ownership benefits due to the novel design and construction materials chosen. As such, the SML 1200 was launched. The final design elements came from the ModCat range of vessels, with an asymmetrical sponson configuration and a 12-meter length with a 4.9-meter beam, suitable for operations in up to Sea State 5. Constructed from 5000 series marine-grade aluminium, the SML 1200 provides the following benefits. The standard SML 1200 has a lightship weight of a little over 3 tons and offers 56 square meters of deck space. The vessel is constructed with 6.6 cubic meters of buoyancy material incorporated in its 20 cubic meter sponson volume, made up of 8 watertight compartments, each serviced with independent and automated bilge pumps. The SML 1200's payload rating is specified at 10,000 kilograms. After a range of rigorous tests and operational trials performed by the South African Marine Safety Association along with the design team, the vessel's stability rating was exceptional. The vessel's buoyancy and beam provided excellent load characteristics, with the onboard crane extended to its maximum reach. A load of 1.2 tons could be raised with a heel angle of just 4.5 degrees. The simple deck layout allows for a host of applications and deck equipment options to cover all the user design requirements. Standard equipment such as knuckle cranes, hydraulic lift equipment, capstans and winching equipment are powered by a suitably rated diesel supply system situated below deck. The SML 1200 operates comfortably in a draft range between 300 and 510 millimeters, dependent on loading. The platform is extremely maneuverable due to its propulsion layout and pivot points in both outboard and jet configurations. Options are available to transport the platform as a fully assembled unit by road where possible, or in either partial or complete knockdown formats by ocean or rail freight. One of the key innovations of the SML 1200 design is that it allows for the entire platform to be disassembled and stored in standard 12 and 6 meter ISO containers and relocated to its next project swiftly and cost effectively. Reassembly is simple and possible in the remotest of locations, with the heaviest component being a full sponson at 1.3 tons. The SML 1200 as a rule can be moved to a location at less than 40% of conventional vessel relocation costs, while being serviced, disassembled, loaded and shipped within 3 days. Included in the design brief was the platform's capability to work independently, which was achieved by adding a modular designated service point facility housed in a 6-meter side-opening container which stores the unit's propulsion, crane and wheelhouse, along with its own workshop, fuel storage and power generator systems. Utilizing aluminium as the primary construction material, SML 1200s are 40% lighter than standard GRP vessels and 60% lighter than steel, which converts directly to huge cost savings when considering operating costs based on payload versus fuel consumption statistics. Light construction always converts to less required horsepower, less fuel. Minimal maintenance is required for the vessel. If necessary, welding of sectional plate or quick-fix sponson patches keep the platform afloat and in service at all times. The SML 1200s went into production during 2015, with the initial vessel being constructed for extreme projects in Port Elizabeth, South Africa, as a durable and versatile workboat. The platform provides the owner with a cost-effective working boat that offers the versatility now standard in the SML 1200. SMLs are constructed in 6, 9 and 12 meter variants, allowing for client requirements. SML also offers full consultancy services with regard to all offshore applications.